In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in Xero projects using the built-in timer. We'll walk through the entire process from opening your project to saving your time entry and confirming how it affects your project totals and costs. This is perfect if you want accurate billable hours and clear insight into project profitability. Start by logging into your Xero account in your web browser. Once you're in, look for projects in the top navigation menu and click it. This takes you to your list of existing projects. Open the project you want to work on so you're inside its details page, where you can see tasks, time, and costs all in one place. In the top right, click the timer button. This opens the time tracker so you can capture your work as it happens. If you manage multiple jobs, first select the project you want to track time for, just to make sure the entry ends up in the right place. Next, choose a task or service item that best matches what you're doing. Picking the correct task helps with billing later and keeps your reporting accurate. Add a clear description for the work session. Think of this like a short note you or your team can understand weeks from now: what you did, any context, and any details a client might care about. Now click Start Timer. Keep working on your task while the timer runs in the background. Let it track continuously so you don't have to estimate later. Real-time tracking is almost always more accurate than trying to remember. When you're finished, click Stop Timer. You'll see your tracked time entry, including the duration that was captured. Take a moment to review it. If you stepped away or forgot to stop the timer right away, you can edit the duration to reflect the actual time spent. Small adjustments here keep your reports clean and your invoices fair. Once everything looks good, save the time entry to the project. This locks in your work session and adds it to the project's record. Finally, check the project time totals and costs. Inside the project view, you'll see how your new entry updates the overall hours and the associated costs, giving you an immediate sense of progress and budget impact. That's it. By logging in, opening your project, starting and stopping the built-in timer, reviewing and editing when necessary, saving the entry, and checking your totals and costs, you'll keep your Xero projects accurate and up to date every time you work.